Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 4 in the beginner series for acoustic guitar. Now today it's going to be a very short lesson. I want to talk about one thing. Your fingers. Alright, 2 things I have to say. First, take care of them. And number 2, we are going to be substituting numbers for your fingers. Alright, so let me get my fingers up here. Okay, now this is your first finger, this is your second finger, this is your third finger, and of course this is your fourth finger. Now you're going to need this when you're doing chord diagrams or tablature or something like that, or even when you're learning notes. So like I said, take care of your fingers and remember the numbers that go in accordance with your fingers. Okay? So the next lesson we're going to be doing chords. So when we do chords, I'm going to say third finger, third fret, that kind of stuff. So if you know the numbers to your fingers, you won't have a problem at all. Alright? So we'll see you in the next lesson.